With the entire crypto market currently going downhill and major crypto firms becoming insolvent, we would think that Elon Musk might reflect on some of his latest statements with a little contrition, right? After all, the tech billionaire is a big proponent of cryptocurrency, isn't he? So what does Musk think of Bitcoin at the moment? Give the video a thumbs up and stay tuned to find out. Let's get into it. Indeed, Elon Musk has been an avid supporter of everything crypto, and now the SpaceX CEO has admitted that his privately owned aerospace company also owns Bitcoin for the first time. This is, of course, besides Tesla's investment of $1.5 billion in the world's biggest and oldest digital token that has struggled a lot in the last few weeks, with months of peaking at over $60,000. And in early 2021, Elon Musk bestowed the landmark endorsement that more than any other high-profile purchase sent Bitcoin on a moonshot and then clinched its status as a mainstream investment. Musk is famously known to have purchased $1.5 billion in the king of cryptocurrencies with his spare cash on the automaker's balance sheet, a highly unorthodox move since most companies abhor putting their war chests at complete risk. Moreover, in public statements, Elon Musk as well as CFO Zach Kirkhorn have expressed a great deal of pride in pioneering an all-new practice of wagering to make big money on dollars virtually, and every other enterprise just wants to keep safe. CFO Zach Kirkhorn stated on last year's Q1 conference call that the purpose was to get some return on cash not immediately being used for operations. And in an SEC filing weeks earlier, CFO Zach Kirkhorn went so far as adding a second title to his rank as CFO, or the Master of Coin. However, so far this grand experiment has proved to be a total bust. Also in the morning of May 11, it was noted that Bitcoin had apparently dropped below $29,400, erasing all of Musk's once sumptuous gains, and though it rebounded later in the day, it's now hovering near the break-even point. Well, let's review how Musk's bet took shareholders on a roller coaster ride so wild that it left them dizzy, not from awe but from dread, yet went nowhere. Elon Musk said, "I have never said that people should invest in crypto." Musk told this to the crowd during his virtual appearance at the Qatar Economic Forum after he was asked about the present state of cryptocurrency. And Musk continued with, "In the case of Tesla, SpaceX, myself, we all did buy some Bitcoin, but it is a small percentage of our total cash assets." And apparently, this all appears to be quite true, technically, as Musk does not seem to have ever uttered the words, "people should invest in crypto," or any sort of similar straightforward investment recommendation regarding cryptocurrency. And so, where would people get the idea to invest in cryptocurrency because of Elon Musk then? Well, Musk has sure had a lot to say about cryptocurrencies over the past few years, and some of it has been entirely promotional, so much so that it would be easy to see how someone would think Musk was offering investment advice, or at least strongly hinting at such. Most people with interest in Musk consume his words on Twitter, where he is one of the platform's top users, closing in on 100 million followers. Now let's start with the time Elon Musk announced that his company Tesla would start accepting Bitcoin when a customer wants to buy a Tesla. Now, given that you have to buy Bitcoin to spend it, and given that another way of saying buy is invest in, that seems somewhat promotional to me. Later on, Elon Musk reversed this course and suspended vehicle purchases via Bitcoin due to the negative environmental costs that were only later apparently explained to him. However, Musk then also felt the need to reiterate how much he still believed in crypto after he decided to suspend Tesla purchases with Bitcoin. And of course, Tesla is not the only Musk company that promotes cryptocurrency. He previously announced that SpaceX was going to launch a satellite literally named after the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Dogecoin. The mission was also going to be paid for in Dogecoin, as well as make history by making Dogecoin the first crypto in space. Speaking of Dogecoin, it's obvious the token is Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, as he's plugged it more than any other crypto. Musk's cryptocurrency tweets in the year 2021 have been particularly impactful for Bitcoin. His Bitcoin tweet back in 2021 shot the cryptocurrency's price up by nearly 10%. His tweets, while not necessarily posted for his own financial gain, can significantly affect investors in cryptocurrency. They also raise questions about the solidity of the market that can be so easily swayed, especially as retail investors increasingly flock to cryptocurrencies. And then in April 2021, the cryptocurrency exchange platform Coinbase became the first major cryptocurrency company to go public in the U.S., signifying the mainstreaming of blockchain-based currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Then the current price roller coaster started back in May 2021. Elon Musk reportedly tweeted that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin as payment due to environmental concerns about its heavy energy use, a reversal of its acceptance of the marquee cryptocurrency just 2 months earlier in 2021, and as a result, the price of Bitcoin dropped drastically around almost 15%. Elon Musk's crypto tweets are not isolated to Bitcoin. The Tesla CEO has also sent Dogecoin prices up 30% in the month of May in 2021 after tweeting that he was working with Dogecoin developers to improve the currency's efficiency. And a similar tweet later in May also caused Dogecoin prices to rise. And then in just a month, SpaceX said it would accept the meme-inspired coin as payment for sending payload trips to the moon. Also, the company said it would be sending a 40-kilogram cube satellite named Doge-1 to the moon. SpaceX executive Tim Ochenero stated the satellite will demonstrate the application of cryptocurrency beyond Earth orbit and set the foundation for interplanetary commerce. The director of data and indexes at Coindex, Galen Moore, stated that in cryptocurrencies, it's as important to understand memes and the social layer as it is to understand the technology and game theory that make Bitcoin a secure network. It even raises uncomfortable questions about price manipulation. Later on in February 2021, Tesla purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, helping send prices to a then-record high. And according to its first quarter earnings report, Tesla sold about 10% of it to the tune of $101 million. The sale made it possible for Tesla to turn a record profit. Indeed, Tesla made more selling Bitcoin than cars. Musk has since tweeted that the company only sold Bitcoin to confirm BTC could be liquidated easily without moving the market. Besides what he has claimed in tweets, we don't actually know if Musk, one of the wealthiest men in the world, is buying or selling Bitcoin after his tweets. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are not subject to U.S. securities law and receive less oversight than stocks. On May 11, 2021, the Securities and Exchange Commission warned about the lack of regulation and potential for fraud or manipulation surrounding Bitcoin. And in 2018, the SEC dinged Musk and Tesla $20 million each after his tweet that he had funding secured to take Tesla private at a much higher share price and sent the stock soaring. Funding hadn't been secured. The settlement required Musk to run market-moving Tesla tweets by the company lawyers, and something he has not been doing. Musk's tweets about Bitcoin are less fraught than boosting the price of his own company, but it certainly doesn't feel fair that one person can affect the price of Bitcoin with a tweet. Speaking of fairness, Elon Musk is not the only one potentially making money off his crypto tweets. The Federal Trade Commission recently reported that consumers were scammed out of $2 million by Elon Musk impersonators in the past 6 months. And this suggests that Musk's control over the crypto markets is so strong that it extends to imitators as well. And we should not expect Musk's outsized influence over crypto prices to go away soon. Cryptocurrencies are getting more commonplace, and Elon Musk's empire is no doubt growing. Well, guys, that's all for today. Do you think Musk is right? What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more must-know developments in finance and technology. And with that said, we will see you guys in another video.